Hello everyone, I'd like to show you a combination of an application in Google Chrome and also an add-on that will allow you to, first of all, create voice comments on Google Documents, and then secondly, be able to have students make copies of those particular Google Documents while maintaining all of the comments that are attached to the document. So let's get started. First of all, Read and Write for Google is the application we'll use in order to record voice comments. There's a lot you can do with Read and Write for Google, but for today we're going to stick with just the voice notes. This is a free application or free extension for teachers. With students, it is a paid for extension. So first of all, you get that installed, and then you can find it in the Chrome Web Store. And if you go ahead and highlight any comment, you can go ahead and push the voice notes button, and the voice notes will pop up inside of Read and Write for Google. And you get a minute for every single comment. So if you go ahead and push the recorder like this, I can say, all right, everybody, you're going to be looking at a graph today, and we have to tell whether or not this graph is proportional. So I want you to take a look at the table in here and just think about what we talked about in class yesterday. Look at the angles and also where all the vertices are and that kind of thing, and then see if you can figure out if this is proportional. Please provide some evidence to support your position. Once you're done, then you can push the stop button. And then if you want to play it, you can push play. And if you like it, you can push insert. Now it does take a little bit of time in order to insert, and you can sort of see this colorful flashing bar on the bottom there, kind of shows you what is going on with it. And then very much like a regular comment in Google Docs, you'll see that you can click on here and then it will appear on the side. As students hover over it, once it's actually done processing, it'll turn into a play button and you can push play. Recorder like this, and you can say, all right, everybody, you're going to be looking at a graph today. And you can record a number of those throughout the document in here. So anything that you can normally place a text comment on, you can also place a voice comment on. Now, the other part of it that's pretty helpful is that, let's say you have some students in your classroom that really need this type of thing, and they would also need this when they're in the process of being able to type themselves. Normally, you can't copy any of the comments on a Google document, even if you copy the Google document itself. But if you go into the add-on store inside of Google Docs, you can go to the copy comments, and I'll show you what that looks like in the store. When you add add-ons, you can go and type in the copy comments add-on, and you'll find it here, and just go ahead and push install. And what this will allow students to do is that once they get the link to your particular document, they can go to file. You'll go over here and push copy comments in the add-on section. And then when they push copy comments will start to run on the bottom of the screen, as you can see. And it'll say copy document, and it'll give you the link to the document. So if a student wanted to click on this particular document, this would be their own copy of the document. And what you'll find is all of the comments in the document will be maintained and will be copied over. So you'll see my text help is still over there, and I can push play, and all my instructions are recorded and maintained on this particular Google document. All right, so hopefully that helps you figure out how you can not only record audio comments on a Google document, but also allow students to be able to copy those comments onto their own Google documents if they need to listen to instructions a number of times.